about in the newspapers, not seen on the channels. And the reason is that the media of this country is completely controlled by 2 or 3 large industrialists who have a relationship with the Prime Minister. So we can't even express ourselves in the media anymore. And that was one of the reasons we decided to do the Bharat Jodo Yatra, where we listened to the people of this country and we expressed what this country is going through, what this country is feeling. The biggest questions that arose, and there were 2 central questions. The first question that arose was the large-scale unemployment that is taking place in this country. And I'm aware that it is the same issue in Meghalaya, that you have huge amounts of unemployment. And the second issue was the rising prices. Rising prices in petrol, diesel, gas cylinders, and food products in general. And this was the pain that the nation was feeling. Huge rise in prices, massive concentration of wealth in 2 or 3 people's hands, unemployment, and the division and the hatred that the BJP is spreading. But these are some things that we're committed to fighting.
BJP promises to fast-track Meghalaya's development by upgrading and modernizing all roads and allocating funds of Rs 2,200 crore to transform Meghalaya's villages. This 27th February, vote for a stronger BJP for a stronger Meghalaya.
Kajing say so ha ka rap karyang kajing men ya kinongra. Anda la pentrikam ka TMC ha ka ba shipawa jartingka shisnem anya rapisa ya baroh kinongra ha ka jilla lingba ka jingpen mi ya ka scheme batmai farm Farmers Assistant for Rural Meghalaya.
Hakane ka apnyo trek urumphang jan ya ka sap jong phi haki artli kisentiu bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.
Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, a drug-free Meghalaya, strict action against drug peddling, an opening of 50 new de-addiction centers statewide.
Fight the